compulsion, compulsion. He made the payment under compulsion. He felt a compulsion to eat without his willingness. Plead, plead. He pleaded for the mercy. She pleaded for her selection at the job. Venture, venture. We ventured out into the woods. She said I don't like involving myself into ventures. Replenish, replenish. He replenished his supply of water. She needs to replenish her energy after work. Rail, rail. He rails on the traffic, blaming it for his late arrivals. She rails on him for ignoring her. Tender, tender. The mother's tender hug made the baby relax. The gentle touch of her hand was a tender reminder of her love. Flip, flip. He flips the patties to cook them from both sides. He is flipping the coin for a toss. Bash, bash. He violently bashed on her face. Don't try to bash on my face. Mislead, mislead. Traffic sign misleads his way. Misleading the court in a trial is a serious offense.